What exactly is a sales funnels is a series of web pages that basically promotes an offer and creates more profit out of one person. Through this series of web pages, the person who lands on there is going to have different offers, upsells and downsells that they can choose from. And then in the end, the company makes more money out of one person, rather than if you were to just have something, you sold one thing and that's all you got from that one customer. What a sales funnels does is the customer is given all those options to upsell and downsell and then get more money from the customer. So I'm going to take you through a series of a whole funnel. Now I got this funnel from the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is a challenge that ClickFunnels does. It's a course, a 30-day course. Now, I have another video all about the One Funnel Away Challenge, and if you want to check it out, I have a link down below that you can see if you are ready to take the One Funnel Challenge. Basically, it's a challenge that takes you from novice to expert in creating and launching your offer so you can start being profitable, and you're just one funnel away. That's the whole concept, to one funnel away being more money, quitting your job, becoming a millionaire, etc., whatever your one funnel away is. So I'm going to take you through this funnel and I'm going to show you exactly what it is. So this squeeze page, this is what the squeeze page looks like, and here is the actual page. What a squeeze page does is collect your email. So it's usually in exchange for a freebie. So in this case, this is a free video. Person opts in. This is also called an opt-in or a landing page. Opts in, and then they're taken to another page within the funnel. So I'm going to show you the next page. So the next page in this case is a sales page. We're going to go ahead and go to that. And here is our sales page. We're going to click this and we can see the preview, this funnel, this page. So let's see. So they opt in, and then they're taken to this, like, wait, here's a special offer just for you. So the hook is basically the headline that's compelling, that is going to get someone to take your offer right then, even though they might not know your company yet. Like, if it's so good, they will buy from you. And there's a video, yes, I'm ready to buy. This is going to be like a whole description of what it's all about, and it's going to keep going. Yes, we want this, and these are bonuses only for this price, but all these huge bonuses, you can get this. So in this case, this is actually, I believe, the One Funnel Away Challenge that they're trying to promote here. And it just keeps going on. And look, total value $582, but for now you can get for $47. And then, actually, I'm going to click this link. Yes, I'm ready to buy. So now we are taken to the checkout page, which is, you fill this out, and then boom, it's all there. But look, but wait, so this can be a price that you would have. So an upsell, a good price for an upsell is $37 or $97. There's a bunch of different ways, but yes, I will take this offer. They've already put in their credit card to buy that offer from the other page. Now they're going to get this upsell right here and buy now. So now I'm going to take you to that page. So after that page comes this page that I'm loading right now. This is going to be but wait, we have another offer for you. So step 2 of 3, they've already placed their credit card in, so don't miss this amazing offer. Yes, add it to my order, because they already placed their credit card in. They don't need to plug it in again. It'll just continue. Yes, so this is the next offer. Yes, add it to my order. Sure. We want it all. And then, well, we didn't plug it in, but if we did plug in the previous page, that's what it would say. Now, let's see. No thanks. I don't want the huge discount. It's probably going to say the credit card thing again. Or it's confused because we didn't plug in our info on the previous page. So we'll just go check it out, check the funnel. There isn't a downsell within this funnel, but normally if it says no, there's usually a downsell offer where it's a cheaper price for something else. I'm going to just go to the confirmation page. Here is the congrats, you completed the product. It would have all the product right there, and the price, and they already got it. The thing with ClickFunnels is that it also has a membership within the funnel, this whole software. The membership area login is right here. So I'm going to show you this page. So you can actually host your membership if you do monthly memberships or whatnot. ClickFunnels can collect the payment if you're doing like a monthly subscription or a one-time offer. All of that is covered. You can connect it to Stripe, your PayPal, other things out there. You can connect ClickFunnels with Zapier, email marketing, your email marketing software. I like to use ActiveCampaign for my software. So this is what the membership page would look like. You can edit the sections. Here, if you had different modules within your course or whatever you're trying to sell, that's what would be in here. And then I'm going to show you how to actually edit the actual pages. It's really easy to edit the pages. Let's see with this one. So here's that membership page again. Simply close this. You can just type in things and move things around. So let me see. Okay, so you can edit things like the top margin, move it down, change the font family. You can go ahead and add new elements. You can add a headline, just drag it in to wherever. You can type up stuff. Yes, this is it. It's really easy to just go ahead and change things around. This is just the membership, and then the same concept goes with the actual when you're building the funnel and all that stuff. And you can actually integrate your email marketing within here, so not connected, select integration. I have ActiveCampaign, so I can connect that and add them to a list that I have. So yeah, I have all that list. You can do tracking code for Facebook, your Facebook ads, everything, typography, background. All that stuff is covered on ClickFunnels, and you can just easy drag and drop. It's really easy. You don't need a web developer, don't need a designer to do all this stuff. You can simply just do it yourself if you wanted to. We are going to show you, now that we've gone over this, the sales part. Let's see. Right here would say like what the sale was from what customer, and give you a whole list. Once you start making sales, your stats. The cool part about this is that you get your data. So if you're running ads, you can see your conversion. So your squeeze pages, how many views, and then the opt-ins, you get your conversions. So you know exactly how much money you're spending and how much you're making profit out of that. And also, once you have people putting their stuff in, you can have a list of all their contacts too, which you can export, put it on your email marketing, and do a bunch of stuff with that. You could plug it into your Facebook ads, and Facebook will find people similar to those people. ClickFunnels is really awesome. It has all of this integrated, and you can make your offer and launch it real quickly. And if you wanted to take that One Funnel Away course, I have that link down below. If you need ClickFunnels, I have a link down below. Make sure to send me an email if you do use my link for ClickFunnels, because I have some bonuses for you to help you set up your funnel and all that good stuff. I'll post what the bonuses are down below in case I'm going to change what I'm going to be providing for my bonuses. But yes, you can read all about my bonuses down below. You can check out my other videos all about sales funnels, lead generation, basically setting up your online business and all that good stuff with digital marketing and entrepreneurship. If you are wanting more on that, please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you soon.